Hi everyone, my name is Dongfang Yang and I'm a PhD candidate from Politecnico di Milano. With this video, I'm going to introduce the innovation diagram for furniture. I will give you an overview of the tool, how to use the tool, the tool's integration into the design process, and its availability and requested resources. So firstly, an overview. The innovation diagram for furniture aims to position and characterize existing furniture system, as well as competitors' offers. It can be used to identify and select promising sustainable furniture systems ideas and generate new ones. Last, it can be used to facilitate the development of new concept profile. It consists of a polarity diagram, concept popular with 7 key elements, and offer labels. So how to use it? The first function is to position and categorize the existing furniture system. So you need to open the tool and access the innovation diagram for furniture SPSS existing offer page. And then you need to select the provider's icon from the offer label, the first slide. Enter the provider's name in the free empty space. Paste the label in the existing offer polarity diagram. Like you need to find a proper position for the existing offer. And then you need to paste the provider's icon and name in the profiler. After that, you need to identify who is the customer. Select customer's icons, whether it is B2B or B2C, and place it in the customer section and write down customer's name on the label. And the next step is the offered products and owner. So firstly, you need to select products icons and place it in the offered products section. Then who owns the furniture product? Then you need to select who returns the product ownership, whether the provider or whether the final customer, and paste the label in the products section. Then they offer the services and provider. Choose services icons and place it in the offered services section. And select who provides the services, like which stakeholders within the system, like the furniture manufacturing or furniture manufacturer or furniture service provider or other stakeholders. Paste the label in the service providers section. The next part is the type of SPSS. For furniture, we have defined 3 types of SPSS: care-oriented, product-oriented, or result-oriented. You need to select your SPSS type of offer and paste it in the SPSS type section. You need to pay attention that not all offers are already SPSS. And the next part is what is paid within the system. Different options like paper period with fixed cost, paper time, or paper use, and hybrid payment depending on the situation of the existing offer. The last part is the offer configuration. You need to select the distributed economy type icon of your offer if this exists, and paste it in the distributed economy type. And then select its structure icon and paste it in the nearby space. And the second function of the tool is to position and characterize the competitors' offers. And this time, you need to open the tool and access the innovation diagram for furniture SPSS competitors slot. you need to select the competitor's icon from the offer label slides and enter the competitor's name in the free space. Paste the label in the competitor polarity diagram and the profiler. The third function of the innovation diagram for furniture is to identify and select promising sustainable furniture systems ideas. For this aim, we need to open the tool and access the innovation diagram for furniture SPSS concept slide. This we need to collaborate with the STO furniture toolkit, the idea box. We need to insert and position promising ideas designed with the idea board within the innovation diagram, following the sustainability color code. So for environmental sustainability, we use green color and we place it on the polarity diagram based on the idea's characteristics. And then for the empty place, we can generate new ideas. We need to identify and cluster those ideas that can be combined to draft the system concept. Once we have defined the concept, we write a text drafting the preliminary system concept. Similarly, we need to define the concept with the concept profiler. The innovation diagram integration in the design process. Here, this image shows the general furniture product service system design process from furniture product service system strategic analysis design brief to furniture PSS concept design, furniture PSS detailed design, and communication. The innovation diagram for furniture can be used in the first stage for analysis of existing PSS offer of sustainable best practice, and in the concept design stage for the development of sustainability design-oriented scenarios for furniture PSS and furniture SPSS ideas selection, concept design. The innovation diagram for furniture can be integrated into the general design process. Here is the image which shows the general design process for furniture PSS, including strategic analysis of design brief, concept design, detailed design or engineering, and communication. For each of these design stages, we proposed different environmentally sustainable related design steps. For example, for furniture PSS strategic analysis, we proposed the analysis of existing PSS offer of sustainable best practice. Of furniture PSS concept design, we proposed the generation of sustainability-oriented ideas for furniture PSS. The innovation diagram for furniture can be used in many different steps. It can be used for the analysis of existing furniture PSS offer of sustainable best practice. It can be used for the generation of sustainability-oriented ideas for furniture PSS, of development of sustainability design-oriented scenario for furniture PSS, and also idea selection, concept design, and detailed design. The last part is about the innovation diagram for furniture's availability and requested resources. Firstly, the tool can be free and open access downloaded at the SciPolyme official website, the Learning Resources part and Tools section. To use the tool, it requested a computer with a PowerPoint reader, and for the analysis of existing furniture PSS, it should need around 15 minutes, and for the concept design, it needs 30 to 45 minutes. And the last part of this presentation is about the availability of innovation diagram for furniture and requested resources. Firstly, The tool is free and open access download at the Slide Polyme official website, the Learning Resources Part 2 section. And to use the tool is requested the support from a computer with a PowerPoint reader. And the requested time. Firstly, it can be used to analyze the existing fluent PSS or competitors' PSS. This will need around 15 minutes, and for the selection and generation of new ideas, it needs around 30 minutes, and for the development of for interest PSS concept, it will need 45 minutes. This tool is open access. You can use it, diffuse it, or update it, change it according to your needs without any cost. If you have any questions, you are welcome to send me emails. Thanks. So how can you access to the X400 Toolkit, the SDO 400 Toolkit, the innovation diagram for furniture, or the concept sheet for furniture? You need to type learnslive.polyme.it in the address column, and then you will enter the homepage of LearnSlive Polyme official website. On this website, please find Learning Resources. You click on Learning Resources and you will see all the relevant resources developed by our lab. And you go directly to the Tools section. You will find Sustainable Furniture System Design Tools. Click it. You will enter in the YouTube channel of LearnSlive Tools. Within this playlist, you will find all these 4 tools or toolkit that are relevant to sustainable furniture system design. For example, if you want to download or see the presentation of the X Furniture Toolkit, you click here and you will enter the presentation of the X Furniture Toolkit. Now, we are not going to listen to the presentation. We go directly to this section. If we click the link related to please download the tool guide, and if you click it, you will enter in the shared document of the tool. Here, you right click the name of the tool and click download. You will be able to download the tool for the offline application. You can use the same procedure to download all other tools, including the SDO 400 Toolkit, the innovation diagram, or the concept sheet furniture.